Welcome to the SABC News COVID-19 Global Wrap. I am Babalola Paka, and this week I bring you highlights of news which dominated headlines with regards to the coronavirus pandemic. However, before we delve into that, let us have a look at some global stats. The world currently has over 452 million cases, with over 386 million recoveries and over 6 million deaths. South Africa currently stands at 3,690,291 total cases, with 3,571,758 recoveries and 99,681 deaths. Staying in SA, Cabinet says the country is slowly winning the fight against the COVID-19 pandemic, with over 40% of the adult population now fully vaccinated. The country's infection rate is currently low, hovering at just above 1,000 cases a day. Briefing the media on the outcomes of Wednesday's cabinet meeting, Minister in the Presidency Mondli Gungubele has encouraged those who are vaccinated to take their booster shots. On to the rest of Africa. The continent has now recorded over 11.53 million cases, with over 10.6 million recoveries and over 251,000 deaths. Moderna Inc. said on Monday it would set up a manufacturing facility in Kenya, its first in Africa, to produce messenger RNA vaccines, including COVID-19 shots. Moderna said it expects to invest about $500 million in the Kenyan facility and supply as many as 500 million doses of mRNA vaccines to the continent each year. It also has plans to start filling doses of its COVID-19 vaccine in Africa as early as 2023. Meanwhile, the African Centers for Disease Control and Prevention has agreed on a memorandum of understanding with Pfizer to bring supplies of the pharmaceutical firm's Paxlovid antiviral COVID-19 pills to the continent. And in international news, the Pan-American Health Organization on Wednesday said COVID-19 cases fell by 26% across the Americas last week, while deaths from the virus dropped by nearly 19%. The organization has, however, cautioned that some effective measures to curb infections should be maintained. In Canada, the country's most populous province, Ontario, said it would end masking requirements for most indoor spaces later this month. It also said it would virtually scrap all COVID-19 related public health measures by the end of April, after citing the reduced threat of the pandemic. A study on Thursday found that COVID-19 cases were rising among people over 55 in England. The study also revealed how increased social contact, waning of booster protection, and a more contagious subvariant of Omicron could possibly be driving an increase in hospitalizations.